So here we have group A.
I'm Sanya.
And Priya.
I'm Gaurav.
I'm Ashwin.
And here we have group B.
I'm Rishi. I'm Anurti.
And Lakshmi. And
Start with my point that reading is an active process. While reading, our mind, our prefrontal cortex is mainly focused, mainly active. So rather than watching video, while reading books, our mind is more focused and more open than just watching any videos.
Yes. So I totally agree with your point, but I want to add another. As you said that reading books is more active than watching a video. But I want to say that reading is just limited to after recording or whatever you're saying. But watching a video is more accessible, is more, helps you to communication skills. And even there are lots of documentaries, there are lots of debates, there are lots of news channels which helps you, which teaches you how to communicate. So I think that watching a video is better than video.
So I don't really agree with the points. Like you said, if everyone has like the internet, they can get into some things that are not good for types of reading. Instead of that, people can go to the library and they have the various type of books, and from there they can put their communication like numbers and will get reached.
It is my point, but it depends on source. Like there is a difference between comic and a textbook. Just like for an example, Nobita reads a comic and she reads textbook. And so my main point is that if you are reading a book and you are just reading, you can't understand its meaning. But if you can watch videos, you will understand, and there will be a visual and audio. If we want to show a child what is puberty and death, then show it by video.
I totally agree with your point. But if my friend helps me work or तो I'm procrastinate तो जैसे कि मैं बाद में कर लूंगी या फिर मैं कल कर लूंगी, बट अगर मेरे पास एक फिजिकल नोटबुक होती तो मैं उसे जल्दी से करके अपना काम फिनिश कर
But I want to add something else. Let's take an example. If you want to read a book, like this one, so it takes many times to read it. In this case, you can watch a small video. By that video, the book goes easy. I respect your point, but I would like to add something that is, if you are reading it's short, getting involved in it, but let's say seeing something such big topics in a short video, it will not contain everything. So for the retailing, you need both, and where you get both in activities. And moreover, I would like to also add, for example, let's say you're in nature, sitting under the tree, and you're reading a book. There will be less distractions. That then switching to social media platforms and learning from TV. And of course, when there is exam time, when you go to your online researches and their notification starts, so you're distracted. You get distracted from the work for which you have opened your phone. So that's the second point. And now my last question to Mr. Sakati is that Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and many great personalities read books. Have they ever said in their interview that this among this big post more because of watching TV, not instead of reading books? Instead, they recommend to read books more and more. Is that wrong? Thank you so much, Ashu, for sharing your thoughts. And I would like to, add some points regarding what you have mentioned about notification. Regarding the exams, right? So if we are focused, if we are having the persons, people have a mindset on his or her brain that tomorrow is my exam. If I have to be focused, so if I have to be focused, then I should not distract. So again, it takes point about what you have mentioned. And Bill Gates, they are big examples for this main books. So obviously, I agree with your point that they read books and then they create something, and that's the creation which matters rather than which totally matters, and they are known for their creation, not for what they have read, right? And the creation that have made by them is utilized and it is being used by everyone in this world. Millions of people are using. Like Instagram, Bill Gates had created Microsoft, right? So we are using and utilize it. Like we are utilizing that thing in an efficient manner. So it's not like reading those, it's not always very, worst things. Yes, it is. So as you have seen then how frequently our students have shown their points expressed in what. So I really thankful to you all for coming here and participating. You have done a very good.